What is up, everybody? So this is a video that I've been kind of wanting to do for a while now, and you're wanting to start up a business in the film industry and you want to be a screenwriter working on film scripts for major Hollywood corporations. Well, what are the software systems that you're going to be needing to use along your journey for writing for the film industry? Well, there's a couple software systems that are out there that will allow you. Some are free that you can use now to start your way and learn how to format scripts correctly. Some you're going to have to buy, and in this video I'm going to kind of go over some of the ones that you're definitely going to need in order to know how to script write. And I have done a video before on kind of how to format a script. I've done a tutorial video, so this is not really going to be pretty much a tutorial video per se, as much as it's going to be a video on what is the software systems that you need to buy, or what are the ones that you can get for free that you have on your computer right now. Now, when I first started this, I was kind of, I was thinking in my head, there's this story idea that I really wanted to get down on paper. I was thinking about it pretty much every single day, and it was driving me insane. So I just started writing, and I pretty much wrote till I pretty much had every single part of the story down on paper. Now, it didn't look professional because it was written on kind of notebook paper, but as I started to get a computer, I eventually translated it back into Microsoft Word, which is one of the very first software systems that I'm going to be discussing. Now, Microsoft Word is not professional at all, and it's not used within the film industry. It is seen as more of a storyteller type of tool, and if you're going to be writing kind of short stories, novels, and stuff like that, then it's perfect for that. But if you're going to be doing things like script writing, you're definitely going to want to get another software system which is completely free, which is called Celtics. Now, Celtics is not the most widely used software system in the film industry, but is definitely used with independent film companies as well as students. I think my school had Celtics installed on pretty much all their computers, and the good thing about Celtics is it has a font that kind of mimics that of the old typewriter font that was used when people were making film scripts back on the old typewriters, and it sort of mimics that, and it mimics that style pretty much to a T. And that is what I use whenever I'm at school, or if I'm just doing a side project and I'm going to do that. One of the major products, software systems that Hollywood tends to use is Final Draft. Now, the good thing about Final Draft, even though it is pretty pricey with the price of, I think, $130 last time I checked on their website, is that in order to keep the rights to your script, you're going to have to register that script. And the best way to do that is registering it with the WGA, which stands for Writers Guild of America. And for people that post their scripts on there, normally it's only like $10, but for new writers it's $20 depending on the scripts that you turn in. And that pretty much allows you to retain the rights of a film company, takes your idea and uses it in the film, and they have to pay you a certain amount of money. Anyway, with Final Draft, once you buy the $130, you pretty much can write your scripts and it'll send it off to the Writers Guild of America completely free since you bought that software system. That is a pretty nice tool, and it still has the same fonts and everything, but specific studios have a certain font style that you're going to need to look up, or have someone who is in the industry kind of give you the font styles that you need in order to make your scripts work for that particular company. Now, once you have those, Final Draft has a font setup that kind of formats your stuff in a way that is particular to that kind of company's font style, to its kind of script writing style, and that is definitely a cool feature, and it's a software system that I'm thinking about purchasing in the far future when I get a better job and am able to make more money and able to purchase more stuff, because it's definitely something that I want to add to my MacBook Pro just to make myself a little bit more familiar with the same tools and stuff that Hollywood pretty much uses every single day. A script is really handy for actors, for directors, for people within the industry to see where the film is going to be and how much they have to spend on the picture. Now, a normal script that I heard is like 110 pages or something like that, so definitely keep that in mind when you're making your own scripts and creating your own stories. And with that, I think I am done with this video. I hope that this knowledge, the knowledge that I've shared with you, has helped you. I kind of wanted to do this video. I wanted to do a little bit more in depth, but I think I kind of got to the point. If you want to do any more research, I'll probably have links in the descriptions to the software systems that I've kind of talked about. And if you want to do more research than that, you should definitely check out YouTube videos or things online about it and do some research for yourself. But until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.